Grifform Innovations offers multiple different styles of custom vanity top sink integration options. These different sink options include Grifform Innovations' formed sink style, which features your standard formed oval-shaped sink, Grifform's coved corner sink style, which is a rectangular-shaped sink with coved corners, Grifform Innovations' ramping sink style, which features a smooth and straight edge finish, Grifform's round corner sink style, which offers rounded corners on the side of your sink area, and Grifform Innovations' scoop sink style, which offers a unique style that ramps from the outside inward toward the center drain. Grifform Innovation offers the option to add on different quantities of sinks and specify their exact locations. These different sink styles can be specified from standard models or customized to any size to meet your needs. To specify a custom solid surface vanity top exactly to your specifications today, be sure to visit our website.